Hello, and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about network marketing causing you a problem. Here's how to fix it. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Network marketing: how to fix problem. There is a common problem in the MLM business that most people are unaware of. When a new recruit is causing you a problem, here's how to fix it. The goal here is to learn how to recognize problems from recruits and learn how to correct the problem before it gets out of control. Ask yourself a question: what is your product line? If you have the wrong product, then the best solution to your problem is to find a new one. When people join your MLM business, they are usually immediately drawn to the opportunities of making money quickly, so all your recruiting efforts are for naught. If they are having problems with a particular product or service, you should be proactive and offer some sort of support. There are different methods for how to handle this, but the simple truth is that if a problem cannot be easily fixed, then that's an indication that the product is not right for them. Look at what other distributors on your product line are doing and whether or not they are having problems with it. If you have a problem in your own downline that is giving you trouble, the key is to bring it to their attention. Here is a recommendation: ask your downline if they have used the product line recently. In addition, ask them how they were using it. What you need to do here is to evaluate the effectiveness of the product line that you are currently promoting. If the sales are low, either too many people are coming in or the product line doesn't really have a loyal following. It is always wise to put a cap on your downline numbers because you will be investing more money in recruiting new recruits and training them on how to be successful in network marketing. You want them to have something to sell, so that's where you should look for help. How to stop new recruits from causing you a problem in your network marketing business: by telling them that they aren't going to make much money in your product line. You can answer the question, how to fix it, by suggesting that you develop your own product. What most people don't realize is that they don't want to be involved in a network marketing business that has a product line that doesn't have a lot of money in it. They want to be involved in a business that is profitable and can help them become successful. Although your product line may not have a lot of money in it, the good news is that it could be easier to promote. If you can offer a free download or survey program, you could quickly build up a large downline. How to stop new recruits from causing you a problem in your network marketing business: by offering to do a free product launch event for your product line. This will help your downline to get the word out about the new product, and if it does well, you will be able to offer them a percentage of the profits as compensation. When someone who joins your network marketing business has a problem, you should tell them that you have a product line that can solve their problem. This is a good way to avoid recruiting new downline members who are not interested in what you have to offer. How to fix network marketing causing you a problem. You're not sure whether your current company is truly profitable or if you are right now causing network marketing companies, in general, problems. Here's how to fix it. Your business should be run as efficiently as possible, so make certain that your compensation plan is as straightforward as possible. It is also important to realize that the structure of your business is the most important aspect of your business's issues. Every decision you make must take into account what you need to do in order to make your company profitable and successful. But one decision that you don't make that you need to think about is the structure of your business. To illustrate what I mean here, think about a company that makes pizza. The company always makes sure that the quality of their food is perfect because they know that people will appreciate the food and their service. There are quality control procedures in place for all products that they sell. But in order to be successful, they make sure that the quality of the food is as high as possible, even at the cost of quality control and hygiene procedures. So, even though the company is having trouble selling its products, this is not due to the poor quality of the product itself. They have just had to adapt their processes to be as efficient as possible. The reason that you should do the same thing for your company is that you want to create a structure that will help the company succeed. And by adapting your business structure to suit your needs, you will make the company more profitable. Now, when it comes to changing the structure of your business, you will need to think about what this means. Every single aspect of your business is important to your business, so any changes you make will affect every aspect of your business. Think about what type of product you are selling, what type of customer you are serving, who you are trying to attract with your new company, and all of these things are important to the success of your new company. If you are not careful, you could end up causing companies all over the world problems. Your customers may not be happy with the company you are starting, but when you switch to a new company's process, it is the same thing. In fact, that is why it is good to switch, because it allows you to focus on just one part of your business and improve it. When you switch to a new company's structure, it gives you the opportunity to fix any problems that exist with your sales process. If you switch to a new structure, then you can spend more time focusing on selling to each individual customer, and less time fixing other parts of your business. Another way that you can help your company's structure is to change your compensation plan. By creating a new compensation plan, it lets you focus on making a profit rather than the size of your profits. These are two very important ways that you can use to help your new company. Try using these two suggestions to help your company and find the answers to your problems. Your MLM business, are you experiencing an issue with your network marketing causing you a problem? Here's how to fix it. Are you experiencing an issue with your network marketing causing you a problem? Here's how to fix it. In many cases, it is difficult to see the error of your ways as your business grows and your knowledge base increases. However, if you are truly serious about succeeding in your business, it is important that you keep your marketing systems in check and have a good monitoring and control system in place. As you continue to grow, this is crucial. Here are some tips to get you started. In addition, you will also find some advice to help with keeping your information systems under control. Identify your market for each business opportunity you are working on right now. When it comes to network marketing, that means you need to know who you are marketing to so you can get the results you want. Identify what type of results you want before you even start to learn anything about the MLM opportunity. Once you know who you are marketing to, you can work on building a list to promote to.